Hi, Ryan Foley, partner of Cunningham and Associates, and I'm reaching out to all of our friends in the CPA industry to share a little bit of information about research and development tax credits, as well as ongoing R&D credit management. So this video is intended to go ahead and talk to you about some of the things that we've seen in the field and with our clients to help you advise your clients in the best way possible. And that's important to us. The history of the firm is built on a strong advisory platform, and I myself started my career primarily in tax preparation, conventional accounting. So I know what it's like to be involved in the short planning season and the demands of the busy season. So hopefully you find some of this information helpful. First and foremost is exploring research and development tax credits. The main industries that we're seeing go beyond the gold standard of manufacturing. Certainly if you have clients in manufacturing, they should be looking at R&D, but beyond that, looking at construction. Really, construction is one of those industries that is evolving to a much more technical industry, and there's a lot of pre-construction activities that qualify. Additionally, architects and engineers have a lot of qualifying activity. There are some challenges within that industry, specifically around hourly billing, but many engineers and architects are moving towards a fixed fee billing model, which is a good indication that they qualify for research and development tax credits, and at a very, very high rate. Additionally, software and technology is still a great area to take a look. And what we've also found is with some of these organizations, they may not be revenue positive yet, but if they're under 5 years in business and under 5 million in annual revenue, you can actually take the research and development tax credits and apply against payroll taxes, which if organizations have utilized some of those deferrals that were so beneficial, there might be a benefit to offset that impact associated with some of the deferrals, or certainly at a global taxation level, the PPP taxability and things of that nature. A lot of challenges for this particular year. In terms of R&D credit management, so these are organizations that have taken R&D and are looking to go ahead and streamline their process or maybe get more out of the credit. Many organizations are shifting away from just an annual calculation type approach and implementing better systems and controls so that they're looking at their expenses every 3 to 4 months. What that allows organizations to do is really focus in on one-off events that may bring in people outside the traditional R&D group. And by documenting those one-off activities, whether it be a special project or a process improvement or things of that nature, you're able to then increase those credits on an annual basis. Based on an analysis that we've done, we've seen an average increase of over a third by organizations that document more frequently versus organizations that go through just an annual documentation process, which generally is after the close of the year. And finally, utilizing research and development tax credits this year is so important because of the increased amount of taxes that many organizations are facing due to PPP loan recognition. And depending on when that's claimed, whether it's 2020, 2021, or even potentially 2022, it's a way to go ahead and have a non-cash event help significantly lower taxes. So there's some really cool things that you can do with clients that haven't taken advantage of these credits, but also individuals that are looking at their credit management by increasing that frequency or increasing the types of expenses, such as subcontractor expenses or supplies, specialty tooling, things of that nature that are generally missed. You start increasing that, the credits jump, and it makes the tax liability that much less, delighting the clients. Hopefully you found this information helpful. We're here to support you, the CPA. Feel free to reach out. Any questions or concerns, very accessible. Thanks.